class B section. My school name is Shloka CBSE school.
Good morning to everyone. My name is M. Tanish Verma. I am studying in 7th class B section. My school name is Shloka CBSE school. Today we are telling about a Jadcherla project. The project name is Basic Snake Game using Joystick.
Introduction. A dot matrix LED display and joystick. Project of Joystick. A snake game typically uses an Arduino microcontroller to control 8x8 LED display or similar style LED display, and with joystick acting as an input device guides snake's movements to control it. The goal is to eat apples. The apples means the dots on it. So, while avoiding the collisions of its own body or matrix boundaries to prevent game over. Now, the components needed to make it are Arduino Uno or Nano. Next, jumper wires and joystick module. And this is Max 2917 module 18x8 display. 4-in-1 module also. It is called also 4-in-1 module. And USB cable for programming and breadboard. It is optional. And the connections are first joystick module VCC to 5E and GND to GND, VRX to DA0 and VRY to A1 and SW to D2 and the 18x8 display connections are VCC to 5E and GND to GND, and another connections are CS to D11 and CLK to D13.
Working principle. The matrix 8x8 LED display shows the movement of snake and food, and it shows the snake's movement, and its direction is up, right, left, down, and it shows the movement and position of snake in the LED 18x8 matrix. Working. How it works? When the signal the LED matrix send the signal analog A0 and A1, it controls the directions of snake. When the snake moves, it shows in the LED 18x8 matrix display. When the snake eats food pixel, its snake's length can be increased, and avoiding collision of hitting walls or itself may prevent game over. Thank you.